Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Chevy Traverse. This does have the V6 engine. Sounds smooth. And those LED headlight surrounds don't flicker to the human eye. It's just a refresh rate of my camera. I do love the painted alloy wheels that we have here. This one has dual sunroofs and dual exhaust. There's a sneak peek right there. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. It does have captain's chairs in the second row that have heated seats. Then it does have a third row as well. Here's your Bose sound system. Give you a shot of the VIN. Driver presets. Okay, we'll go ahead and turn the stereo all the way down so you can hear me better. You also have navigation. You're gonna see the backup camera. Let's put it in reverse. Has amazing cameras. And it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then these other apps, and especially using your phone, you'll be able to use those a lot better. Okay, it also has cooled and heated seats in the front. And here's your phone charger down here, your shifter, your cup holder, terrain selector, 2- and 4-wheel drive. Additional stowage right there. Push button start. Have your push to talk and your trip computer and infotainment toggles right here. You see that it has 9,264 miles on this vehicle. As you come up above, you're going to see your standard map reading lights. And like I say, those dual sunroofs, it makes it look absolutely huge in here. All right, that about wraps it up for the interior of this Chevy. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. Is it an accident with another vehicle? There was damage from here. It was minor damage. The airbags did not deploy, but there was damage from here around to this passenger rear. There was no structural damage, so we're able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.